Welcome! Today we're going to clear the jam rear error on your Brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Open the top cover. Gently remove any jammed paper with both hands. Close the top cover. Now press Retry on the touchscreen. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.